Good morning students. Today we are starting a new lesson number 4, working with tables. Children, in this chapter we will understand what is the table, how can we create a table in MS Word, how can we modify a table, various ways to format our table, importance of merging and splitting. We will learn to apply borders and shading, and also we will learn the use of formulas in table. So children, first we will understand that what is a table and when it is used. Children, table is a structure of vertical columns and horizontal rows, or you can say table organized our text in the form of rows and columns, and intersection of rows and columns is known as a cell. It is the smallest unit of a table and actually we enter our data in the cell. हम जो भी वर्क करते हैं हम किसके अंदर करते हैं चिल्ड्रन? सेल के अंदर. वी एंटर टेक्स्ट, इमेज, numbers and graphics. Now it is important to understand that when we use table, children, when we have information that needs rows and columns, in that case we use table structure. For example, when we have to show students personal information like name, class, roll number, address, then we use a table structure. We have to show the students marks, then we create a mark sheet. It also need a table structure. Whenever we go to the shop, shopkeeper give us bill, so in that bill also information is written in tabular form. तो जहाँ जहाँ हमें टेबुलर फॉर्म की ज़रूरत होती है, जहाँ पे रोज़ और कॉलम्स बने हुए होते हैं, वहाँ पर हम टेबल स्ट्रक्चर का यूज़ करते हैं. एंड then in MS Word we use table option to create the table. Now see, this is a table structure children. Smallest unit of the table is a cell and group of vertical cells known as a column and group of horizontal cells known as a row. So if you will see this picture carefully, you will find out children there are 3 columns, 3 rows, and total there are 9 cells in this table. Now children, we will understand that how can we create a table in MS Word. So children, there are various ways. We will learn few of them. First we will learn the use of table button. As you will see, to use a table button, first we have to click on a insert tab and rows and column group. On that there is a table button. We will click on a table button children, and this type of list will appear. In that you have to select the rows and columns on a grid. आपको इस grid पे rows और columns select करना है with the help of mouse. You drag the mouse and select the rows and columns and then you click. As we click, we will get the table in the document. So this is a one method to just insert the table. Now children, we can use another method, that is a use of insert table dialog box. Now to open the insert table dialog box, first we will go to the table button and we will see that just below the grid there is a insert table option. So as we click on a insert table option, we will get the insert table dialog box. Children, ये insert table dialog box है. With the help of this dialog box, we can also create a table. For this, what we have to do? We have to enter number of columns and number of rows, and then we will click on a OK button. As we click on a OK button, our table will be inserted in our document. Now children, we can also draw a table with the help of draw table option. When we click on a draw table option, we see that our mouse pointer changes into the pen shape or pencil shape, and with the pen or pencil shape we can draw our own table. And if you want that your table should be all come as a formatted way. So we can use quick table option. Children, what we have to do? Just we have to click on a table button, and the last option, that is quick table, we have to click on this. Now what is a quick table? Children, quick tables are the gallery of pre-formatted tables. Already there are tables are created, contents are there, tables are formatted. We have to just select the table. As we select the table will be inserted with the data. Data भी उसमें enter होगा children. And what we have to do now, we have to edit the table and we have to write our own content. हमको जो पहले से content है उनको clear करके अपने contents को enter करना होगा. So this way we can create our table. Now, as once we have created a table, children, we can enter data into a table. Simplest way to enter the data into a table is that just click inside the cell and start to type the data. आपको किसी भी सेल में क्लिक करना है और आप टाइपिंग कर सकते हैं. So this is the way we enter the data into the table. Now children, when we are entering data into the table, it is also important to understand that how can we switch between the rows and columns, or we switch between the cells. So for moving inside the table, we use arrow keys. Also we can use tab key. Children, when we use tab key take the cursor to the next cell. Okay, and if we want to go to the previous cell, we can use shift plus tab key. This is a one method. Now as I told you, we can use arrow keys. So children, there are 4 arrow keys, like up arrow key, down arrow key, left arrow key and right arrow key. So their works are also same. Left arrow key take the cursor to the left side cells, and right arrow key take the cursor to the right side cells. Up arrow key take the cursor to the up in the table, and down arrow key takes to the downside in the table. So this way we can enter our data in a table. So children, our topic is completed today. Please see the video and try to understand each and every concept. Thank you.